front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to hit Apps and Services. Then choose AppTwin. Click on gray switcher next to any available app you wanna clone. If you can't see your app here, that means that AppTwin is not allowing for you to clone it, so you need to pick one of those. Wait. And when your switcher is blue, you can go back to check it out. As you can see, my Snapchat was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can go back to the same settings and use now blue switcher. Then tap on close in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!